In the wake of its COVID outbreak, China Airlines has been hit with a 1 million NT fine for public health infractions. The health minister said China Airlines was remiss in its handling of staff quarantine arrangements in violation of the Civil Aviation Act. Meanwhile, the Novotel airport hotel has gotten a 150,000 NT fine, with more on the way. It was found to have let China Airlines staff quarantine in a part of the hotel that was not approved for that purpose.
A total of 29 people have been confirmed infected in the China Airlines Novotel outbreak. On Thursday night, Health Minister Chen Shih-chung convened a meeting to assess what went wrong.
During
the meeting, we confirmed that floors 7 and 8 of the hotel's building number 1 were being used to quarantine China Airlines workers. This was not approved by the Taoyuan City government. At the time, there were other airport arrivals staying on floor 8 of the building, along with some flight crew who were under home quarantine. This was a violation of Article 53, Section 1 of the Act for the Development of Tourism and Section 1, Clause 6 of Article 37 of the Communicable Disease Control Act.
The Tourism Bureau has fined Novotel 150,000 NT for harming pandemic prevention efforts and endangering public health.
That's the highest fine we can issue under the Tourism Development Act to handle this. The impact of this incident may not be isolated to the effects on tourism. Therefore, authorities at all agencies should follow up with their own laws to deal with the situation.
The Taoyuan City government plans to impose its own fine on the Novotel Airport Hotel for illegally accepting quarantining guests.
Based on Article 37 of the Communicable Disease Control Act, the Taoyuan City government can impose a penalty ranging from 3,000 to 15,000 NT for every case. There hasn't only been one case, and they will assess penalties one case after the other. They're working it out now.
Meanwhile, the Civil Aeronautics Administration has hit China Airlines with a hefty penalty.
China Airlines improperly handled its supervision and management of its staff quarantine facilities, violating Article 112, Section 2, Clause 5 of the Civil Aviation Act. The Civil Aeronautics Administration has fined China Airlines 1 million NT.
Altogether, authorities have meted out 1.15 million NT in fines over the China Airlines Novotel outbreak.